Apple once had a feature where you could control your Mac via an Apple remote using the IR Blaster. In the recent models, that feature seems to be omitted completely. I'm gonna show you how you can get it back on this episode of AppConnection. So let's get started. Okay, so the way it works is pretty simple. The app is reminiscent of an Apple remote. You have your up and down buttons, left and right, and you can control volume here, and you can also set up different modes for iTunes, iPhoto, and Keynote respectively. So the way it works is pretty simple. Essentially, they give you a little how-to guide on how you can get started by downloading a remote server, and then you must be on the same network as your computer, and then this will work. So for instance, I'm gonna use iTunes mode, and currently I have Shake It Off playing. So as you can see, I can control the volume of the song. I can also mute it or unmute it. Next, I can volume up, volume down as well. I can go to the next song, another song. I can pause, and I can play. So that's the iTunes side of things. If we were to turn our attention to Keynote, things will be a little bit different. So I'm gonna get started with a slideshow by using the Keynote mode, and I'm just gonna press next, and simple, delightful, awesome. And this creates iOS 8. And as you can see, I can control remotely. Think of the practical uses for this thing. Imagine you're in a presentation and you don't need to keep going to the computer and pressing the next button over and over again. It's tedious, it's annoying, and you just want to tell it stop. Okay, so where can you download all this cool stuff? Well, to download it, all you have to do is you got to go to this website, remoter.me, and it's all in Chinese, but there's an English version as well. So as you can see, so it download the companion app. You download it for your Mac. It works on the Retina display Macs, pretty much any Mac. I believe OS 10.7 and above. And you can do all these features. It's really easy to set up, and it's amazing. It works. It just works. But the downside is you need Wi-Fi. It doesn't work with Bluetooth, and currently you can only control iPhoto, Keynote, and iTunes. You cannot control like Spotify or Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's a bit of a bummer, but I hope they improve this overall because it does have some potential. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more, definitely click the subscribe button, and that way you'll be notified of new uploads. Until next time, this is Dave, signing off.